A free bird leaps on the back of the wind. But what happens when you're not free? Maya Angelou's I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is not just a memoir. It's a testimony of surviving abuse, racism, silence, and turning it all into poetry. She was a child when her voice was stolen, but her silence was powerful. And when she spoke again, the world listened. This book isn't just a life story. It's a call to find your voice, no matter how broken you feel. Because even a caged bird still sings. Tap the link to get your copy. You won't forget this story.